Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Claude AI not available in your country using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your blocked web page links so you can log into the Smart Assistant tool safely from anywhere in the world. Step 1. Download a simple location-changing connection tool. The first step is to open your regular internet surfing program on your desktop screen and find a simple free program that can change your computer's virtual location to a country where the tool is fully allowed. Open your internet browser icon like Google Chrome, go to your favorite browser extensions add-on store, click inside the search box, type the words free VPN, pick a highly rated tool from the list, and click the button that says Add to Chrome or Download. Watch for a tiny new icon to appear at the very top right of your browser window, showing that your location tool is installed and sitting ready. Because the Assistant website automatically reads your real location numbers the second you try to load the page. If your country is on their restricted list, the server drops a giant lock screen flat against your background view. Downloading this simple connection helper allows you to mask your real home location rows completely. Step 2. Turn on your location tool and select an allowed country like the United States or the United Kingdom. Click once on the tiny location icon at the top right of your browser, open its drop-down choice menu, scroll down to find the words United States or United Kingdom, click on it and hit the large round button that says Connect or Turn On. Verify that the tool icon changes color or shows a little green light, confirming that your computer is now safely talking to an outside internet path. Because it tricks the website into thinking your computer physical box is sitting inside a house across the ocean. When you change your region setting to an allowed zone, the helper tool routes all your internet traffic through an approved warehouse. This ensures that when you knock on the website's door, the system engine reads you as an allowed visitor. Now, you need to open a fresh, completely clean private browsing window to ensure your old stored location data does not mess up your new connection path. Click the three small dots in the very top right corner of your browser window. Select the row that says New Incognito Window or New Private Window. Click inside the long white address bar at the top, type claude.ai, and press the Enter key. Watch for the dark private browsing theme to open up, followed instantly by the main clean email sign-in screen loading perfectly without any block messages. Because your regular browser keeps a record of your old blocked attempts inside its temporary memory card, if you try to load the normal web page, the computer might show you the same old error message even with your location tool turned on. Opening a private canvas window wipes the slate completely clean, letting your new location path break through the block immediately. And that's it. To fix Claude AI not available in your country, you must first open your browser store and download a simple free location VPN extension on your screen. Then, you move your mouse to the top right to open the tool and select an allowed country like the United States on your screen canvas rows. Next, you look at your browser options to open a clean incognito window and type the claude.ai address to bypass your old blocked memory files. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.